guys, in this video we will study about column and strut. Column or strut is a structural member subjected to axial compressive forces. Let us consider this simple cuboid on which load or force P acting upward and downward both sides. Now let us see the definition. Column versus strut means column and strut both are different structures, but both are structures. Now let us consider this simple line diagram, we can say in simple words, or it is just a diagram, simple representation of column, and it is simple representation of strut. Now let us see its definition. If member is vertical and both ends are fixed rigidly while subjected to axial compressive load, then it is called as column. Means if a structural member is vertical and both ends are fixed, here both ends are fixed, it is vertical and both ends are fixed and subjected to axial compressive load, then it is called column. Now let us see strut definition. If member of a structure is not vertical or one of both ends are hinged or pin joint, bar is known as strut. Means if a structure is not vertical, it is not vertical, or one or both ends are hinged or pinned joint, both ends are hinged or pinned joint, then it is known as a strut. Example of this is connecting rod, piston rod, etc. Here its simple structure is given. Now let us see types of failure of column. This is a simple cuboid which is subjected to load P or force P. Now crushing and buckling, these are the types of failures which occur within column. Now crushing occurs when our column is crushed, we can say in simple word, when it is crushed, and buckling occurs when buckle occurs within the column, and crushing occurs when crushing occurs within column. In simple word we can remember this. Now let us see its definition. And crushing and buckling both are occurring in column, then it is known as crushing and buckling column. Now let us see its definition. Types of failure of column. Crushing failure, normally it occurs in short column due to direct compressive stresses. So crushing failures occur due to direct compressive stresses, and it occurs generally in short columns. Now buckling failure, it occurs in long column due to buckling stresses. So main point to remember is buckling occurs due to buckling stresses, and within long column it is occurred, not in short column. Within short columns crushing failure occurs, and in buckling failure occurs within long column. Now combined failure, as its name suggests, where both buckling and crushing occurs, then the combined failure occurs. It has been observed in case of intermediate column due to combined compressive and buckling load.